apps affairs show you.
How to find iPhone Telegram downloaded files. Follow these easy steps to easily find all of your Telegram downloaded videos, audios and documents, musics. First of all, launch the Telegram app on your iPhone. Now tap on settings. And here tap on data and storage. Then tap on storage usage. Here scroll down all the way to the bottom. And here select media. And here you will find all of your Telegram files. And now we need to save files in our iPhone from here. So long press on the file that you want to save and tap on open photo. And now tap on this three dot at the top right. And here tap on save image. Once the image saved, I'm going to my Photos app. And here we can see the image has been successfully saved in my Photos app. And now I will show you how to find Telegram audio files. So here's I'm opening a conversation and here we can see our audio. Now to save this audio to your iPhone, just long press on the audio, tap on save to files. And now select a folder to save the audio or file, tap on save. And now go to your Files app and go to the folder where you just saved the file. And here we can see the audio. So this is how we can find our Telegram downloaded files in iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.